Hi everyone, we have some exciting news to share with you for the holiday season.
We're going to Disneyland.
And we're also going to Hawaii, where we'll be staying at Disney's Aulani for the first time.
Woohoo! Today we'll share 5 tips to prepare you for your next Disney Parks vacation.
So come with us on this Jam Life adventure. Hi guys, yes, once again, we are going back home to Disneyland for the holiday season. And we'll be taking you along with us with plenty of reviews, tips and tricks and guides to Disneyland. So stay tuned to the channel, subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss a thing. We are also headed to Disney's Aulani in Hawaii for the first time. So we are so excited to show you guys around. Along with our big announcement, I just wanted to share with you 5 tips that we picked up planning this year's trip. As we all have not been able to go for the last few years, a bit has changed. So if you're planning a trip to a Disney park, we hope these tips can help you out. Tip number 1, passport and visa. So this has not changed in the sense that you will still need to have an up-to-date passport and visa, or what is called an Electronic Systems for Travel Authorization, or ESTA. The official website for ESTA where you can apply is listed in the description below. What has changed is that it does take a little longer to get your passport in order, so make sure you're applying for your passport, giving you plenty of time. We recommend about 6 months before you travel at least. Also, you can now apply for your ESTA as a single person or a group, but make sure you go through this carefully. If you get denied because of a simple mistake, you have to wait some time before you can apply again. And this might mean you miss your trip's window. So say it with me everyone, read the form and fill it out carefully, okay? Alright then, tip number 2, book early. Booking your flights and accommodation early is extremely important. Disney parks are very popular places and we do not want you to miss out on something you had your heart set on because you left it too late. We recommend booking at least 6 months early, but you can book Disney accommodation sometimes 18 months in advance. So plan early and book. It does wonders for your anxiety. Okay, tip number 3, download the Disneyland app and make park reservations. If you haven't been to Disneyland lately, everything is now organized on the Disneyland app. From your accommodations to park passes to dining, even a mobile order system for food and merchandise. So make sure you download it and make sure you are aware of everything it does. Talking of the app, it's the same place you make park reservations. Yes, separate to your park passes, you now have to make park reservations for each day you go to the park. This is also done inside the Disneyland app, and make sure you reserve your days early to avoid disappointment. I guess you guys are sensing a common theme here. Yep, do things early. Which brings us to tip number 4, dining. Dining is a big part of your total Disney experience. We love the character breakfast because you get to meet the characters all in one place and you don't have to line up. They come straight to your table. But the best dining experiences are wildly popular and do book out in minutes. And I'm not lying. Just know for the sit-down dining and experiences like, say, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique and many others are open for bookings 2 months before the date. And they go super fast, like in minutes in some cases. We found the sweet spot was 12 midnight Sydney time, so grab your smartphone, log into the app and be ready. But if you miss out, there are cancellations that pop up. And we found a really good service outside the Disneyland app That will help you get notified the second cancellations, or for that matter, when bookings open. It's called Mouse Dining, and a link to their website is in the description down below. So the last tip number 5. This is all about ground transportation. The Disneyland and Disney World coach services have now gone, which happened over the pandemic. So you will now have to organise your own ground transfers either by car or bus. We will link the one below we have chosen, Executive Car Service LAX, and we will do a full review on that service in coming videos.
And that's it for today's video, so please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. And until next time,
Don't forget to spread the jam.